To check your transaction history on Origin, follow these simple steps to easily access your past purchases and transactions. Step 1. Open the Origin client. Launch the Origin client on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Access order history. Within the account and privacy section, look for an option labeled order history or transaction history. Click on this option to view a list of all your transactions. Step 4. Review your transactions. Once you are in the order history section, you will see a detailed list of your purchases, including dates, in titles, and amounts spent. You can scroll through this list to find specific transactions. Step 5. Export or print. If you need a physical copy or want to save your transaction history, look for an option to export or print the list. Follow the prompts to save or print your transaction details as needed. Now you can easily keep track of your purchases on Origin. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section or contact customer support.